Guys, welcome to this tutorial. So let's dive into the tutorial. So you click on this background, you click on the color and you choose black. Yes, for the sake of this tutorial, let's choose black. Okay, so let's delete this. So let's click on plus shape, so change it to circle and reduce the opacity to 0. The stroke, reduce it, increase it to the highest. Change the color of the stroke to white, then reduce it till, can you see that there is no so you click, then you plot the radius to 25 to the highest, then you click OK. So that's okay, you drag it. So let's change the color. So we want to change the color now. So change the color to this purple. We want to make a background, that's what we want to do. So you increase the size, you increase it. And let me use this relative, we increase it to 10. Let's leave it like this. And let's leave it like, I can even increase it more, like 108 or 103. So let's leave it like this and let's reduce the opacity. Then you leave it here. Yes, let's leave it here. Copy and put it at this edge also. So let's lock it. That's our background. Let's lock it. Alright, the next thing is that you bring another shape. So do the same thing, opacity to 0, then increase the stroke. Sorry, the stroke. Let me change the color of the stroke. The stroke color should be white. Yes. So let me increase the width. The stroke width, let me increase it. I think it's good like this. So you click OK. You put it, let me put it here. Let me put it here. So then you copy and you click on this edit. So you reduce it a little bit. Let's reduce it a little bit. Yeah, it's okay like this. So we want to change the color of this stroke. So I will be using these two colors. Let me put it like, let me leave it like this. I will still change it. So if you want to get this kind of a color, there is a link on the description below that will teach you how to get these gradient colors. Use any color that you want that is suitable for each other, you understand? So if you are using two colors, let me click on edit so that you can see the way I did this. So you click on this color, click on this edit, then you change the color code. You copy the color code, just click on the description below. You are going to see a video on how to get gradient colors. So the two colors that I used, this is the code, can you see? So the second one, this is the, can you see now? So that is the two colors that I use. So you'll be able to generate such. So let me cancel it. So that is how I generated this. So you click on OK. So you click on OK. So I will rotate it. I want to rotate it so that I can get, so that the color can be outside like this. Are you getting what I'm doing now? So that the color can be like this. So let's lock the two. Remember that you should be locking your work. So you click on shape again. So this is what we want this time around. So you put the radius, like, let's leave it 18 or 20. Let's leave it 20. So you change this color. This is the color. The color we want to use is this gradient color. Same gradient. Sorry. So this is what we want to use. So you reduce it a little bit. This a little bit. So you just use text this alignment. Can you see the relative position? You use it to put it at the center. You can put it up a little bit and put it center, align it, lock it. Then import the image that you have removed the background. If you don't know how to do that, there is a link below in the description below to how to. I have explained there how you are going to remove background professionally, different kind of a way to remove background on your smartphone. So just remove the background of your favorite picture and bring it. So let's do that. So having done that, so you click on OK, then you resize it. You resize it to your taste. You can even resize this what is it called now? You can resize it the way you like. So I think this one is okay now. Let me just move it a little bit down. Yes, I think it's okay like this. So I can, let me move the boat. Let me move it up a little bit. I think that's okay. So I click plus and text. So I want to bring text. So the first text is hello. So hello, let me bring it here, and the font, I'm going to leave the link to get this font in the description below. So the font is, let me use I want to use this. Let me use this. So hello. So let me align it. You put it on top like this, then you align it, and you can bring it down a little bit. Yeah. So you click on text again. Then you go okay, my name is Joseph Akinade. So let's move to the font. We are using the same font but different style. Yes, different style. So you click on this. I want to use this, the bold. I want it to be bold. I want this to be bold. So I want this to be light. You can see the way I'm doing it. So that's how you do it. So this one should be light. Let me leave it like this. Yeah. So I am Joseph Akinade. So that's my name. So you do like this. You align it. You bring it up a little bit. So you click on text again. And say I am a graphic designer. I'm a graphic designer. So I'm a graphic designer. So that the text we are going to use for this, the font rather, is taken by Vulture. Yeah, taken by Vulture. You can see that this eye is hidden. I have a video that I explain how to do that, but for the sake of this tutorial, I just click on this padding, edit and padding, to move this like this. It's going to come out the way you want. So I'm a graphic designer, so you bring that a little bit here. So I'm a graphic designer, you increase it a little bit. So align it, bring it up a little bit. Yeah, I think that's okay. Let's increase it a little bit. Yeah, align it. That's good. So I don't want this circle. It's almost outshining my design. So let's move it backward a little bit. So that means I will reduce it. So let me edit it, not like that. Let me edit it. Yeah. Yeah. Let me put it inside like this. So the second one too, I will edit it. Let me edit the second one too. Yes, I think it's okay like this. I will move both out a little bit. So you click on both and move it. So you move it out. Just be creative with whatsoever you are doing. Just be creative. I think it's okay like this. So let me rotate it. I want to rotate it so that the color can show. Yeah, it's okay like this. The color is showing. So you lock it, lock everything so that it won't be disorganized. Lock everything. So this color now, I want to duplicate it. So I want to duplicate it small like this. Take a copy of it and let me move it. I want to move it somewhere around here. Copy it again. So edit this time around. I want to edit it. Choose another shape. Minimize it to click on it. So I'll put it somewhere here too. Let me put it here. So just a way of designing the work. So I want to put circle. Let me edit this one, put circle. Edit the circle. So this circle will reduce it. And let me put it inside this place. Can you see now? So let me have one more shape. Star. Yeah, star. So this star, let me put it somewhere around here, but make it smaller. Just put it somewhere around here. So I think it's okay now. Let me make it smaller. Yeah, it's okay now. So you want to put your social media handle, then we click on this. So we want to make use of these videos. Put it here or put it at the center. Make it smaller a little bit. You want to put it at the center, make it smaller and put it down. Reduce the opacity. That's the way I used to do it. Reduce the opacity. Then you text. So jot that down. I don't need to put all my brand name. If you just type jota down, it will bring everything that concerns me. Just type that word jota down. It's going to bring everything that concerns me. There's nobody bearing that name under the head. It's the Lord's doing. So let me use this. So you do it like this. So the next thing is that I want to copy it and so the FYW. Follow me as I follow Christ. So I will drop the link to all these fonts. You'll be able to get it. Can you see? We have we have the Facebook, YouTube, WhatsApp supposed not to be there, but let me just put it. Yeah, so put it this way. align it. I think it's okay like this. So let me take both together and yes, so our design is done. Thanks for watching. God bless you. So you click on save project or save as image, then you are done. Thanks for watching and God bless you.